Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have a cat lady box. And I'm saying a cat lady box because this is last month's cat lady box and I just got the new one. Jellybean is so excited. He's been sleeping on this box for like a month now. Jellybean, are you ready to open this? I know you're ready. All right, let's get it open. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, so this is the box that showed up at the house, and it was open already. So Jim was like, make sure everything's in there. It's all in here. Let me get the card out. Jellybean, where's the card, baby? Oh, here it is. Ugh. Okay. This is an adorable card. I hope you can see it around Jellybean. So cute. Isn't that adorable? Almost looks like an owl. I think it's supposed to be a cat though. The featured cat lady artist is Melanie Schultz. Melanie is an artist living in a small town in Canada. She looks forward to the warmer months when she can go outside and feed the chipmunks and birds during her breaks from painting cute and quirky custom pet portraits. She lives with her 3 cats, Gimli, Freya, and TheYvetteRene, I think. Her Persian Gimli has been an inspiration for several paintings, including this one. You can find more of her work at Instagram.com/AstiroSy. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that in the Jellybean. You're messing up all the pictures, buddy. Okay, so this month or that month, this was the one for April. It is called Neon Vibes. Okay, Jellybean, baby, I have to be able to get stuff out of here. Okay, here's the first item. It is called Rod the Lightning. Listen, because of what he's doing here, it's going to mess up the lighting. But it's a lightning rod. Rod the lightning rod. Jellybean, come on, baby. You're messing up the camera. Okay, so this is the first one. Let me see. I'm going to cut this off so that they can play with it. Jellybean, you want to go play with this? I know that you're having a great time. He's having a great time. I mean, he's having a good time right here. But he keeps messing up the lighting. Because he's too close to the camera. Yes, you're too close. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, then here is the second cat toy. The Totally Tubular teaser toy. They love these. They love these guys. All right. Let's get this one out. It's funny to me that like none of the other cats ever come to play. Or hardly ever. Jellybean is always here. All right. All right, JB. Let's see. Mom's going to take this tag off. And then, oh my gosh, it's a really long one. Oh, see, they love these too. Yeah, what's not to love, right? You can play with that? Yeah? You like that guy? He's playing with it, but he's like off the camera. Now he's off the camera. There you go, buddy. There you go. Get over here. Get over here. You got it. Look. You got it. Look. You got it. Come on. Okay, they love these. They really love those. Do you want to play with it right here? Yeah? Okay. All right. Let's see. What is this? This is like intriguing. Oh, it's a bag to... So it's not only can you see through it, so you'll know what's in there, but you can put, you know, it can get dirty and you can clean it. Ooh. And it pops out pretty good. That's a good 1.5 inches, I think. And it's got a cute little kitty cat on it. Jellybean's like, I'd play with that too. Okay, and then we have, I think this is an umbrella. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, It is. All right, now I know that there are some superstitious people here, but I'm really not. So I'll open it up so y'all can see it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's all rainbowy. And it's got cats on it all the way around with like rainbow colors. Okay, this is adorable. What you think, Jellybean? What you think? Woo! Okay, let's not make people dizzy. Okay, put that in there. And I can wrap it back up. That's super cute. I like it. Definitely good for the car. All right, so let me get that back in there. What you think, Jellybean? Do you like it? This one's for Mom. Yep. Do you want to help me put this back in here? Okay, here we go. Ugh. I know it's got a hard spot. Okay, there you go. It's back in there. Okay, and then, oh, so the one that I just got is Cat Mom's Day. And since it is Cat Mom's Day today, I'm definitely going to make a second video so that I can make that one. I'm really excited to see what's in there. We always get super cute stuff for a Mom's Day. Oh, look how cute. Okay. I'm excited. Now I can't wait to open that one. All right, and then we also have a t-shirt. Oh my goodness, look, it says meow. Y'all want to hear a funny story? Here's a funny story. So Jim and I decided we were going to go for ice cream today. I still had not like showered or anything. And I was like, I look ridiculous. But whatever. I put on like the sweatshirt that I had been sleeping in the night before, and we head out to go and get ice cream. So we get there and we're waiting for our ice cream, and Jim says, is your shirt like totally full of cat hair? And I look down, and I mean, seriously, like, I said, well, you know, cat hair, thread, etc. And yeah, so this shirt, whenever I wear it, is going to be full of cat hair and thread and whatever. So I guess the thing is I should probably be wearing less black, but this is a cute shirt. Can't wait to wear that. Okay, so this is the box from April. CatLadyBox, so sorry that it took me that long to open it, but we did enjoy it. And I'm going to open May right now, like lickety split. So keep your eyeball out for that one, because that one will be coming out soon too. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!